Hello, today I'm going to show you that this is an adapter to use a Spanish, Italian, French, European plug into a UK socket. So you normally can't plug this, but you put this and then this. Whoop, and you go. But you really don't need this for nothing, so you can throw it out because you can connect this thing directly here, and I'm going to show you how. What you need is something like this. It's just a stick of plastic, wood. This is cardboard. Don't use a metal stick because you can get hurt, and I'm going to show you the trick. These two holes here are the holes where the electricity goes, and this hole here is for grounding. Normally some things don't need grounding. You see, this is a Samsung charger, and the grounding stick is plastic, so it's doing nothing. But what this stick makes, if you plug, you can see how these two holes open. It's close, open, close, open. So you can't plug this because the holes are closed, but when you plug this, you can. Okay. But now you can't get this out without unplugging this. So you need something like this. You put this here, and then you can plug your European transformer or whatever, your lamp, your hair dryer, anything. And the good thing is you can take this out, well, not with this because but normally you can take this out. Okay, with a lamp plug is more easy, and you can have this without the stick, so you can use the stick to plug another thing. And another thing you can do with this stick is normally you plug this here, and you have to plug the cable here going up. But what if you want the cable going down? You can't plug this here because it is closed. You plug this, then you can plug your adapter. Great. This you can do this with this thing, but you can do this in the wall because the wall doesn't allow you to put this here. But if you have an adapter, you can. Okay. So this is another kind of European plug. This is a grounded plug, so you have the current here, and you have ground here on this metal thing, and this here is ground. So if you plug it here, it will fit, okay, but don't do this, never do this, because this plug needs grounding, and now it is not grounded. It's not, the metal here is not connected to this, so you can blow your computer or whatever you connect here. And also, if the plug is not completely inside, you can get a nasty shock if you touch this. Okay, so don't do this, and don't do this because these adapters are shit. This adapter doesn't have ground for this kind of plug. You plug here, but the ground is not connected, so you can't use this this adapter for this plug, and you don't need it for this plug, so you can take this adapter and throw it. For this plug you need a special adapter. It's like this, but you have a cap here, and the cap has the grounding metal bar. So but this adapter, the adapter for this is you can't find it in £1 shops or even in electric shops. You have to go to electronic shops to find it. Okay, so here you have it. Sorry for my bad English, but I hope you understood it. Bye bye.